Hello everyone, I welcome you all to today's discussion session wherein we are going to discuss the CAT 23 paper, the slot 2 paper particularly, CAT 23 slot 2 paper, the QA section. So as you all know, we had 22 questions. Next one, question number 19. The area of the quadrilateral bounded by the y-axis, the line x equal to 5 and the lines mod of x minus 5 minus mod of x minus 5, mod of x minus y minus mod of x minus 5 is equal to 2 is. See, please note, the quadrilateral that I should get should be bound by y-axis, bound by the line x equal to 5, suppose x equal to 5 somewhere here, and bounded by this line. We have to figure out that line. That's not very convenient. It's in modulus and all. It's not very convenient to visualize. So my quadrilateral should lie between these two. It cannot go to the right of this, to the left of this. However, it can go above x-axis, below x-axis. There is no restriction on that. So with this thing in mind, let's try to deal with that mod equation, the lines that we have, mod of x minus 5 minus mod of x minus 5 equal to 2. Now please note, since we just now said that the graph, whatever graph, this line that we get should lie between x equal to 0 y-axis and x equal to 5, since it lies to the left of x equal to 5, can I say it should be less than 5? So x in this case, can I say it should be less than 5, or rather x should be less than or equal to 5? Why? Because it is lying between x equal to 0 y-axis and x equal to 5. It cannot go to the right of x equal to 5. That means x cannot be greater than 5. It will be less than or equal to 5, and hence can I say this x, this mod here, when x is less than or equal to 5, mod of x minus 5 will become minus of x minus 5. So how much this will become? This will be mod of x minus 5. Minus of minus will become plus x minus 5 will be 2. Okay, something like this. Now let's deal with this expression. This also has a mod of x minus 5. So if I just try to this is x equal to 0, this is x equal to 5, and here the 0 comma 0, and here somewhere suppose it is 5 comma 5. So y equal to x line will look like this. Y equal to x line will be like this. Mod of x minus 5. So suppose y is greater than, or rather let me write it this way, x minus 5 is less than 0, suppose, let. So that means y is greater than x, right? Now in that case, mod of x minus 5 will become, minus of x minus 5, because it's a negative number, mod will become minus. So the mod of x minus 5 will become minus of x minus 5. I hope we all know how mods works, right? Mod of minus 5 will be minus of minus 5 plus 5. So mod functionality is what? It will always give out non-negative values. So mod of x minus 5 will become this. So if that is the case, how would this equation change? Let's write it. So this equation will become, so for y greater than x, now let me explain what does y greater than x mean. This is y equal to x line. So y greater than x would be this region. How do I know that? Simple, substitute any one point. You take 0, 6 for example, somewhere here 0, 6. So 0, 6 will satisfy that inequality, 6 greater than 0. So that means that point should be included in the region. It should go above. So y greater than x would be this above region, and in that above region, what is happening? Mod of x minus 5 is that. So minus of x minus 5 will be minus x plus 5. This is plus x minus 5 equal to 2. So minus x plus x will cancel out. So y will be equal to 7. So here to the left of this, we get a line which is above, somewhere above here. Suppose this is y equal to 7 line. So this will be 0, 7, and this will be of course 5, 7, because this is 5, 7. So if y is greater than x, the equation, this line turns out to be this line, y equal to 7. Consider the second situation. What is the second situation? Let x minus y is greater than or equal to 0. That means y is less than or equal to x. So if this is the case, mod of x minus y will be simply x minus y. Then what will happen to the equation? This equation, mod of x minus y is x minus y plus x minus y will be 2. So 2x minus y will be equal to 7. That's the equation that we get. And please note, what does y less than or equal to x mean? Or x greater than or equal to y means? It would mean this side. So this region. So basically this entire region here that we have. So in that region, the equation or this line becomes this line, 2x minus y equal to 7. So 2x minus y equal to 7. So if I put y equal to 0, so I'll get the value of x as 7 by 2. So it will be somewhere here. Or let's do one thing. Put x equal to 0. When you put x equal to 0, you will get y as minus 7. So somewhere here. So, okay. And next you put x equal to 5, the other boundary that we have for this region. X equal to 5 when you put, the value of y will be 2 into 5, 10, minus 7, 3. So 5 comma 3, probably somewhere here. Suppose 5 comma 3. So this is the line, second line that we have is this, like this. So basically this equation will correspond to two lines depending on whether y is greater than x or y is less than or equal to x. If y is greater than x, then this line will be nothing but this yellow line that you see. And if y is greater than x, so if y is less than x, then this line will be nothing but this orange line that we have here. And now please read the question. The area of the quadrilateral. Now please identify a quadrilateral there. So if you observe the quadrilateral there, I'll just help you out. Bound by y-axis. So y-axis is one end. X equal to 5. That's the other end. And the lines. So what is the quadrilateral? Please note. On the left, this is the boundary. On the right, this is the boundary. On the top, this is the boundary. Right? And on the bottom, this is the boundary. Yes or no? I hope you can see that. So that means the quadrilateral that I am talking about is this quadrilateral that I am highlighting. The quadrilateral in white. He is asking us for the area of this quadrilateral. If you notice carefully, this quadrilateral turns out to be a trapezium, right? These two are parallel sides. We also know the lengths. What are the lengths? From 5, 3 to 5, 7, this length will be 4 units. From 0, minus 7 to 0, 7, this will be 14 units. 14 units. And the height of the height of this trapezium from 0, 0 to 5, 0, this is 5 units. So once you know all these values, you can find out the area. So can I say my answer? Area of trapezium will be half sum of the parallel sides into distance between them, 5, which when you solve it, 9 into 5, 45 square units. That should be the correct answer for this. So this was also pretty complicated question that we had in the test. So again, if you see a question like this, unless you have practiced a lot of such questions, the advice would be to stay away. Because otherwise there is every chance that you will get to a wrong answer, or worst case, you will not get wrong answer, okay, but a case which is little better than that is you will just be wasting a lot of time in dealing with this. So this question is not at all easy. So even for intelligent students, this will be a tough job. So for that means some average student, don't even think about solving such questions. Even if you have time, do something else. Try to spend time on the questions from logarithms probably. Try to spend time on the questions from arithmetic. This is not at all easy on account of this modulus equation. It's so difficult, as you have seen, to interpret that, right? So you need to practice that a lot. If you want to do such questions in CAT, you need to practice a lot. You just cannot do it, all right? Just like that on the day of CAT, you will be able to solve it. No, you will not be able to solve it like that.